Hello everyone, welcome back to the yard of old cars. Now, we haven't made a video in a while, but this is the old 3/4 ton. That's all pretty much welded in now. I had to put a little piece in there, but now over the summer we were thinking, what's better than one greasy old friggin' Ford? Well, we came to the conclusion that two would be better, so we bought this thing. It's an '89 F-150. She's pretty mint. That one over there is an '88. That's a F-250. This thing is a F-150. So it's got a 6.7 Cummins turbocharged diesel. I'm just kidding. It's got a 300/600 best motor. We been working on it for the past while. We bought it like a month ago or so, and it's pretty mint. It's EFI 89. I think they switch over from the carburetors in 85, I think. Yeah, this one's fuel injected, so, and it runs perfect. There's no skip in the engine or anything. It's just a loyal piece of iron. Show you the interior. We picked it up. There's not hardly any rust on it. Like, there might be a few spots we need to touch up. That's the floor. Not sure who did the body work on it before, but less than ideal, I'll say. But anyway, we got her. We've been working on her. We did the drum brakes on it because, well, of course, we got in it one day, put the brake down, and busted a brake line. Brake fluid just shot all over the diff, so that was pretty clapped out. So, but she's good now. We got a new brake line made up. That's it there. And we'll show you guys the brake shoes we had to put on. That's the new shoes. We put new shoes on it and a new wheel cylinder in it. So that was pretty good. It actually went surprisingly well for what I was expecting, but I'm not going to be able to put that on with one hand, so we'll just leave it. Anyway, we're going to put this brake line in. And yeah, the story with this old gal, we were kind of thinking, or at least I was, we need a name for this fucking thing, because we've been calling it the big truck, we've been calling it the 7.3, we've been calling it the diesel, we've been calling it like the 3/4 ton, because we got that one now, and we need something to reference this one with. So I was thinking, should just name it Greta. I think it'd be perfect. It's like a little play on words, don't you think?
How dare you?
How dare you? I think it'd be perfect, but that's just me. Anyways, we'll see how well it catches on, but I think Greta would be awesome for this thing. Yeah. This thing's a 7.3 IEI, so she chooches a little more. And that door just shuts mint. Can't get wrong. Now this door over here is pretty clapped out, I'm not gonna lie. It's no good. Like I said, I don't know who did the body work, but definitely didn't do it on our level. So this one's a 5-speed, just like the other one. It's a different transmission though. I think this one was a Mazda transmission. That one's the old granny low and stuff. And it's just a 2-wheel drive, so nothing special. But I mean, it's pretty mint. Like, can't go wrong. She's got the old back window too. Now the lady of the house, I don't think she's too happy with us, but well, the lady of the house being my mom, I don't think she wants more and more trucks and old pieces of shit in the yard. But these aren't pieces of shit because they're Ford. Now, if we were getting Dodges, I'd understand her problem, but we're not. Anyway, so we're gonna try to get that brake line on. At least I'm gonna try. So the brake line, see if I can get it under here without killing myself. So it blew all over the back of the diff and all my grass over there, so runs into that wheel cylinder there on the right and over there, right there. So it's gonna be the plan for today is to try and get that set up. I'll see if I can tripod this down, but you know what they say. Nothing's better than something. Anyway. Alrighty, so instead of recording all the brake line, found out that one of the wheel cylinders were faulty because, well, you know, you get it from Napa, so it's going to be a piece of shit. So that's kind of just the way she goes. So she's off the jacks. That's where she was jacked over there. And anyways, the brakes work great on the back now. And not very happy with the old Napa wheel cylinder we got. I think it was the right one. Yeah, only for this guy right here. He's going to go eat his turkey dinner soon.
Ricky kind of freaked out and threw a turkey, which might have gone through a windshield of one of the cop cars, they're saying, but it's like anyone would have done that.
We rebuilt it with the old clapped out wheel cylinder, and the spring was all jinkety janked inside it. So anyway, she's mint now. And well, because I'm stunned, I didn't really remember to show you guys the startup, so now I gotta hook the battery back up. We'll start her, and she's basically out of gas, but you don't have to worry about gas because this thing runs on dinosaur fuel. So I'll hook that right up, and we should be good to start her. Look how good that closes. This is a loyal piece of iron. It's got the old Ford key. I mean, this thing has GM mats too, so like, look at that. I don't know if you can see that. General Motors fucking mats, whatever you call them. Now, we just had it going, so it's still like pretty hot. I better take it out of gear before I kill someone. I mean, listen to that girl, just purr. Mint. Oh yeah, the old power steering. It's just mint. Oh, she's got the old fucking high beams on the floor. What's going on with that? So yeah, that's the old girl, the old 306. Just running perfect. I mean, this thing must have been a tow truck or something, because got the old chicken lights on the top. Tow hitch and everything. I mean, what can go wrong? Like, now this thing is in I'm not gonna get on the ground because there's a bunch of bristles and stuff, but this thing is in dire need of some undercoating. So that's what we're gonna do next on the thing. Now we didn't record the whole brake line incident, well, because we're stunned and we got the wrong nut. So we had to flare a whole thing, and let's just say we weren't very happy campers today. So we figured there's no point in posting this on YouTube if we're gonna just be pissed off and yelling at each other. Anyway, so I mean, that's pretty mint. I'll get the old key off. Anyway, I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. We got a new truck, and we're gonna eat a turkey dinner now. The old lady of the house made up. Thank you, mother. It's gonna be a great time. Eat some stuffing, turkey, whatever else we can cram down our throat holes.
I mean, nobody wants to admit to eat 9 cans of ravioli, but I did. I'm ashamed of myself. But the first can doesn't count, and then you get to the second, and then the third, and fourth and fifth. I think I burned with the blowtorch, and then I just kept eating.
And that's gonna be it for this one. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions about this thing, leave it in the comments. We'll get back to you or something. We'll try to make some more videos because I guess we're kind of missing it a little bit. But it is getting to winter time, so this summer was super hot, and I think it got up to like 40 degrees. Anyways, it was friggin' hot summer, but that'll end her here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Welcome this one to the family. It's the big sister to her. She's just a loyal old Ford. Anyways, we'll see you guys later.